Muhammad, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Not too bad. It's amazing. It's amazing you found me on my YouTube channel. Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
yeah. That video that you found me is an old video. Hmm.
Yes, yes. I will see. Very good.
Okay, what can I do for you, Muhammad?
I want. Can you send me?
Yeah, I can see. I can see you. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, no problem. Any clarification, any documents you require, I will send you. No problem.
Okay.
And location and totally documents. I'm working individually.
Okay, where are you gonna bring the gold? Because Oman is not
Yes,
safe.
now I am in Oman.
So where are you going to bring the gold to Oman or where?
Oman, Muscat.
Where are you going to take the gold?
One, what's your name?
Where are you going to bring the gold from Africa?
Now, where are you from?
Gold is from Africa. 98% gold supply coming from Africa. Hmm.
You have 99.99%?
No, that is already refined. Our gold is unrefined. You have to refine it. You can make into different
Okay,
uses. Yeah.
96% you have.
Yeah. You can make it jewelry, you can make $1, you can make anything. But 99.99 is already refined. It's in the bank. It is in the bank. Yeah. So what is your business in Oman, Muhammad? What is your business?
Electronics.
Sorry?
Electronics.
Oh, electronics. So gold can make into electronic spare parts. Yeah. Yeah,
Electronics.
you can make it. Yeah. You can make it to put into computer. Gold, there is gold in computer.
Yes, computer, laptop, CCTV camera, access point door.
Yeah. So you need the supply from us. Yeah.
No problem.
So how long you been looking for gold, Muhammad? How long? How many months you been searching? How many people you have been talking?
What's your name?
My name is Wilhelmina. You saw in the video. My name is very clear. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. Yeah. You're not paying attention watching my video. Mm-mm, you're not. And then you ask me what's my name. On the video it says, this is Wilhelmina Ford. Now I'm talking to you live video call. Hmm.
Your name Cheryl.
My name is Wilhelmina.
Cheryl.
Wilhelmina. Just call me Mrs. Ford. Just call me Mrs. Ford because it's hard for you to pronounce. Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
So how many kilos you want to buy?
One.
Sorry? We don't sell the 1 kilo. There is a minimum order, at least 10K.
No problem. Two kilo you send me. No.
We don't sell 2 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel. At least 10 kilos. At least.
At least.
Yes. At least. It's not you're buying precious mineral, you know. This is for export. And you need to travel. I want you to watch the latest video first. I want you to listen the latest video that I've given you. July I think I've given you July 11. Yeah. I want you to watch. Okay?
No, you send me to
On your WhatsApp.
next time.
Yeah.
You send me 10 kilo. No problem.
But before you gonna get the 10 kilos, I want you to listen and watch this July 17 video. I want you to watch first so that you will understand. And then the procedure is on that video. Every video have a procedure. I want you to read first. Then you get back to me. Because I need your credential. Because you are buying 500,000 already. So I need to know.
Which you have.
Yeah, go ahead.
Bar bullions.
Sorry?
Which you have. Nuggets bar bullions.
Bars. Yeah. Bars. Gold bar Dory. Muhammad, you better watch the video first. Because I don't have time. Because people are queuing at the moment. Okay? Then get back to me. Okay?
What you said?
You listen first the video July 17 and then get back to me. Alright?
Okay.
And then you get back to me when you have any question. July 17, the video. Okay?
No problem.
Alright, thanks Muhammad. Thank you very much. I'll catch up with you. Listen first the video, then get back to Wilhelmina. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. Just call me Mrs. Ford. If you couldn't pronounce my name. Alright?
Okay, no problem. You send me text how much for 1 week.
Okay, there's a price there. I will give you the price. And then get back to me when you're ready. Good evening, everyone. Today is July 23. May I greet good evening to the world and good morning. We have a time different. I'm based in Australia. Please, when you come for conference, do not address me brother. Do I look like brother? I'm not brother. I am Mrs. Ford. We don't sell 1 kilo. I just hung up the buyer from Oman and he wanted 1 kilo. It's not worth it for you to travel. The minimum order is 10 kilos to make it worth it for you to travel. You are buying precious mineral and we don't bring the gold to you. You have to establish business relationship with us. That is why I always upload my video on YouTube and on my platform on Facebook. There is a saying, he who has the gold makes the rule. So you need to follow the rules of the country. Now, Mr. Buyer, whoever you are on the world, pay attention before you come for conference. I just finished having a conference, a buyer from Oman. He's a buyer, but I told him, you watch the video first, July 11. I want you to watch and listen, and then read the full corporate offer on that video. Even here on this video, I always put a full corporate offer so that easier for the buyer. Please pay attention. Don't waste your time calling and chatting with Wilhelmina on WhatsApp or Skype, and you would not qualify if you don't pay attention. I provided everything, and if you're a small timer, at least 10 kilos. It's not worth it. So I just hung up because the buyer wanted 1 kilo to bring to Oman. We don't sell 1 kilo. This is for export. And our selling price based on the world market. And the price, it varies day to day. We don't sell gold bullion, which is refined. Gold bullion stays on the vault in the bank. And you can buy that to the refinery. You can buy that in the bank. There is no discount, whatever the price on the world market. Now I'm going to look at on the world market because the price ups and down. So it's not fixed. It varies day to day. Okay. Now the price of gold today is 77,380.36 on the world market. Right, our selling price on 22 plus, which is 70,850 on 22 carats. Last week was 71. Today is Tuesday, 70,850. So the price, it varies day to day. So keep watching on the world market. Our selling price less 8% whatever on the world market. However, if you sign a contract with us long term, we are flexible. Out of $70,850, I might consider to give you a leeway, but you need to convince Wilhelmina. And then you're gonna ask, what is my position? Listen to this video. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. At the same time, Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. I'm based here in Australia, in Brisbane. Listen very carefully. Don't waste your time getting my number on this video and you are not paying attention. Don't come for conference unless you understand what you are watching on my YouTube video, because everything is on my YouTube video and also on my Facebook. There is no such seller provide very extensive full corporate offer, and there is no such broker put everything on the world map, and there is no such agent to put his or her face on the global domain, meaning to say we are transparent. Wilhelmina is a gatekeeper. You will find the gold in Africa via Wilhelmina, because I was the one who promote Africa. I promote Conakry, Guinea, Mali, and Sierra Leone. That is why I'm going to interview you. Now, my interview with Muhammad, very fast, very quick. Okay? And I told him, watch the video first. Then get back to me if you have a question. Very simple. And if you are not paying attention and then running around thinking you can get the gold cheap price, impossible. This morning, today is the time today is 7:21. I just finished having a conference, a live video call interview. This morning, I interviewed the buyer's agent from Hong Kong, and he said that his buyer is a big company. I said, oh, really? And his buyer has a big appetite. I said, oh, really? So when I interview him, he's asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. Those buyer asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, he is going to leverage, he's going to launder. That kind of buyer is very dangerous to deal with. Because once the gold is in the hand of the buyer, buyer can refuse it, buyer can make a lot of alibi. So we don't do that. You pay, then you can take the gold out of the country. We don't give the buyer credit. We don't deal SBLC, standard letter of credit. Why you gonna ask for credit if you are a buyer? If you have a big appetite, meaning to say you have cash. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The country makes the rule. You have to pay for it so that you will get export documentation as a report, attestation, custom clearance, insurance. shipping cost, etc. Now, you don't need to ask what is the procedure because the procedure is in front of you. Click below, subscribe. It says, click on the bottom, say more. The full corporate offer is in this video. Whether you found the old video, the same procedure. Now, Mr. Buyer, my services is not for free. You must remember, you're buying $500,000 here. So you need to be identify who you are. And when you come for conference with Wilhelmina is going to screen you, live video call. Wilhelmina will interview you. Wilhelmina can detect whether you're a time waster or not. So therefore, when you found this video, any video that I have on my YouTube platform, you have to listen, read, then you come for conference if you have any question. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the price? Our selling price less 8%, whatever the world market price. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So we don't sell cheap price. We don't sell peanuts. You are buying world assets, so therefore there is a value. So if you are thinking that you can get the gold under value, I think you are going to encounter disaster. Yes, there's a lot of fake offer. Yes, there's a lot. I'm telling you, 99.9% joker broker come to Wilhelmina. Why? I'm the only person who put everything. And I'm the only person who put my face. So I'm a marketer. I market Africa. You're going to ask where the gold coming from? You're not paying attention. The gold produced in Conakry, Guinea, Bamako, Mali, and Sierra Leone. I only handle the seller that I have transactions successful. That is the reason why I'm going to interview you live video call, because I'm going to interview you just like when you apply for a job. You're applying to purchase this precious mineral. This is $500,000, so that's why I need to scrutinize you whether you meet the criteria or not. And I'm not going to deal with you if you are already on the ground. Whether you are in Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone, we don't entertain buyers already on the ground. We make sure that the buyer invited in order for you, Mr. Buyer, to establish your business relationship with us. Now, you're going to ask, what is your position, Wilhelmina? You are not paying attention, really. My position, I am a gatekeeper. I'm going to open the gate for you if you identify yourself properly. I will open the gate for you to get the supply when you meet the criteria. So therefore, you have to read the full corporate offer. That is the gate for you to come for conference. That is the gate for you to secure properly. And if you don't identify yourself and then you call Mrs. Ford brother, do I look like brother? Most of you, most joker broker, they call me brother. Do I look like brother? And I'm not your brother either. I'm Mrs. Ford. And then you're gonna ask, where are you, Mrs. Ford? Did you not listen a while ago that I'm based in Australia? This is my virtual office. I'm the one who will interview you before you will be hard to get the supply. Just like when you apply for a job, you need to have a resume. Buying gold, you need to be identify who you are. You have to send me your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund that you are able to pay what you are buying. This is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is FOB, bank-to-bank payment. Why? Because of money laundering. We don't launder it. We don't bring the gold to any destination without a proper export documentation. Therefore, you need to come to the office. You need to come to us. We don't come to you because you are buying money to make money. Okay, I just interviewed Muhammad from Oman. I asked him, what is your job? What is your business? Electronic. There is gold in electronic. You can put gold in electronic. You can put gold in mobile phone. You can put gold on laptop. You can make into different uses. So he wanted to buy 1 kilo. Said, no, we don't sell 1 kilo. It is not enough for you to travel. And I do charge my services. You must remember, Mr. Baya, I do charge $20,000 to assist you, to cover my expenses. Do you think I'm going to work for nothing? You are already getting free information. Yeah, this information worth $1 million. I've spoken to a friend of mine. His name is Philip from Germany. He was teaching in Conakry, Guinea, in university, and he said to me, well, Amina, your information is not $1 million, it's worth $1 billion. I told Philip, why? Precious mineral is worth $1 billion, correct? And I said to Philip, I just educate the buyer. Mr. Buyer, if you are encountering this video, take time to listen. Take time from the beginning to the end, you watch this video. Because if you are not paying attention, I can guarantee you, you would not get precious mineral for your business. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Now, there is a prediction. End of this year, the gold will turn to 3,500. On 3,500 times 32.15. This could be the price. This could be entering 2025. I warned everyone 2 years ago, and no one believed Wilhelmina. And I told them 2 years ago that there is a prediction that the gold will turn to $70,000. I was right. Why I'm right? I've been reading the movement of gold every day so that I could deliver to the world, so that I could educate the buyer, so that I could update my virtual video on my YouTube channel. Today, the price of gold per ounce, I'm going to go back again because the price changes every half an hour. Okay? Now, the price of gold today per ounce, 2,405.22 times 32.15 equals, this is the price at the moment. This is the price at the moment. 77,327.82. And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive. Correct. You are buying expensive item. You are not buying banana. You are not buying bread. Even bread, there is a value. Even banana, there is a value. Inflation. So the price of gold is getting higher and higher. Excuse me. So, there is a prediction if the gold turned to 2,500. Okay, times 32.15. Okay. This could be the price. 80,375. Any moment. So, what are you waiting for, Mr. Buyer? I know you've been talking to me many months. 99.99 Joker Broker, following my platform. Window shopping, they don't read the full corporate offer. Everybody knows Wilhelmina, and I'm very tough. I'm very strict. Now, next year, I do charge my services of $25,000. 2020, I charge $10,000. 2023, I charge $15,000. 2024, $20,000. Why? The price goes up. When the gold goes up, my services also increases. Now that $20,000 is peanuts. Why? I am gonna be with you on the ground with you to assist you so that any discrepancy, I'm gonna be with you. Now you have an option, Mr. Baya. You can travel. I will arrange all the necessary paperwork and contract. You travel 8%. If there is an issue, I'm too far to assist you. It's better you take Wilhelmina, you pay Wilhelmina's extra service, then I will give you 13% instead of 8%. So 13%, I've given you extra 5%. So at the end of the day, you are a winner. Sometimes I might consider to give you 14% if you convince Wilhelmina. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. There is a minimum, 10 kilos. You start a trial because you are building your credential, you are building your business relationship with us. So if you are from Dubai, many times I mention it, Conakry and Dubai, one stop. I will take you to Conakry if you are a buyer from Dubai. Most of the buyer from Europe, they register their business in Dubai because Dubai is tax heaven. It's a hub. So, Dubai and Conakry for you. But if you want tons of gold, 10 tons of gold, yes, I will take you to Bamako, Mali. Because Bamako, Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. And the gold is selling very fast because the world is on panic right now because of inflation. So, Mr. Buyer, do not underestimate Africa. Look at Burkina Faso. He kicked out France. He kicked out German, that who have the minds and the disadvantage the country. Now, who entering the agreement in Burkina Faso? Chinese, India, Russia. You would not get gold in Burkina Faso cheap price. You are wasting your time. In Conakry, my seller, he owned the mines. And we are flexible. Why? My seller will listen to me. So I am your business tour guide at the same time. So Mr. Buyer, if you watch this video, don't rush. After you listen to this video, send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof upon your bank statement that you are really a buyer, because Wilhelmina will scrutinize you. Now, don't be scared because your information is intact. Your vital information will identify who you are. Then, I will review that and I will call you live video call. Then, when I'm satisfied, I will place you to Conakry if you want Conakry. And if you want 10 tons of gold, I will take you to Bamako, Mali. But I don't know if you can afford to pay 10 tons of gold. I would like to suggest you start a trial, 10, 20, 100, in order for you to build your credibility. Because Wilhelmina would not believe that you can afford. I'm telling you, don't be embarrassed. Because 10 kilos is already $620,000. Minimum order. So you increase your order, start a trial. If you satisfied, we can supply you. We have to have a contract. And we don't entertain buyers already in Africa. Why? You've been window shopping and then you failed. So, I cannot help you because you already created problem on that particular country. I make sure that when I take you to the office, I make sure you really understood and you will receive a company vital information, mining license, export license, and the company profile. That is how we do business. You will only receive the company profile and the contract when I receive your credential. We don't send blank contract, solicitation, cut and paste. I don't entertain that. And I only entertain directly to the buyer. Now, Mr. Buyer, we are open for flexible price. Don't be panic. Don't say, oh, too expensive. Correct. You are buying expensive item. But because you are paying my extra service to assist you on the ground, I will renegotiate the price for you. Instead of 8%, I can give you 13 or 14%. At the end of the day, you're a winner. Now, there was a broker and he has a difficulty getting gold for his client in Dubai. And he bumped into my platform on my YouTube and also on Facebook. You know how much that broker from South Africa, he charged $30,000 just for his service. And why he couldn't get the gold? And he come to Wilhelmina. Yeah. And he said, in Zimbabwe, he went to Zimbabwe. He was being offered gold when he arrived in Zimbabwe. The price less 3%. Can you imagine that? And when he watched my video, he said, well, Amina, you're giving 8%. Correct. That 8% on the second shipment, we will review that. Whatever the price of the day, we always review that. But that buyer's agent failed to supply his client. Now, recently, I had the interview buyers in Dubai. Most buyers in Dubai are Indians. They have a gold jewelry manufacturer. They are selling gold in gold soap. 99% of gold coming from Africa. But they are bargainer. What I did, I rejected him. He sent his company profile, and when he received the contract, he bargain. And he knows that the gold is FOB. And he instructed me to teach me to launder. And I said to him, you're a crook. We send you the contract and everything, and then suddenly when you receive the contract, you change it. I crushed the contract. I said to the head office, don't bother, we will crush this contract. Now what happened? He went to Nairobi, this Indian, because he was being offered cheap price. What happened? Disaster. Where the gold coming from? Nairobi is Congo. Congo is United Nations embargo. And I told him, who created the problem? You. And I wish you good luck. And I told him, do not play games in this business. Those joker buyer, I call you joker. You are playing games with Africa. You wouldn't. Look at the Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. Watch the video. You would not get the gold cheap price. But when you get the gold from us, especially to Wilhelmina, I'm very kind and I'm going to sizzle the brain of my seller. Provided you convince me, provided you show the proof of fund that you have $1 million, yes, you will get the gold fair price. Yes, you will make money. Yes, you will get the profit. Yes, I can guarantee you. But if you are playing games asking cheap price, $40,000, and then you ask, is BLC, Black Fund, CIF to me, you're a fool. Why I call you a fool? Only a fool who play the games. Africa doesn't want to play games. You watch that video on Niger and Burkina Faso and Mali. They're very tough. You're lucky to meet Wilhelmina. I'm very, very flexible. I'm very kind. Why? I know my seller. My seller will believe me because I'm gonna ask my seller. I already validated this buyer. The buyer show the proof of fund. Your bank statement will signify that you are a true and transparent buyer. Without that, and you're scared to show your proof of fund, bank statement only to signify who you are, to me, you are not a buyer. To me, you are just a gold launderer. A person that asking CIF, a person asking his BLC is a gold launderer. And then you're gonna say, oh, Africa full of scam. Correct. You're part of. Scam means you deceive yourself. Yes, you're a scammer. And then the seller will also deceive you. Correct. Vice versa. Both of you are a scammer. When the seller offer you a cheap price, think about it. Gold is not cheap. Better you play the right thing. It's better talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will educate you. What is $20,000? It's peanuts. In return, I've given you good discount. When you resell it to your own customer, 2%, 2.5%, 13%, you sell it 2.5%, you get a profit of 10.5%. Where are you gonna get from? And I don't deal chain of joker broker. And we don't pay double commission at all. I remove that. What a waste of time, sin as asking in NDE. You are just collecting online, and then you go on my Facebook, and then you go on my platform on YouTube, that you're gonna say, well, Amina, I have a buyer. And which buyer? Yeah, I'm telling you, you are going to fail. This morning, I was talking to a Filipino living in Los Angeles. He knows me for 6 years. And he connected me to a Chinese. And he said he has a lot of buyer. I said, oh, really? I start to wonder. So I told him, read first the full corporate offer. Then you come back. And then he said, we want the gold in Hong Kong, CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. Now, Mr. Buyer, you are taking advantage of Africa. Africa is already awake. Why my Australian mining company is in Africa? Why? Chinese are everywhere, and you as a gold trader, you're a crook. I'm telling you. Asking CIF, you're a fool. Why I'm saying that? Because you're wasting time. If I am the buyer, that I have money, why should I ask for CIF cost, insurance, and freight? Why not pay 10 kilos, then ship it to your destination, or hand carry? If you are in Dubai, you can hand carry it because it's a direct flight. Don't hand carry the gold when you buy gold in Sierra Leone or Conakry or Ghana. Don't. You ship it and then you insure it. You pay the shipping cost. Okay, if a big quantity from Dubai to Conakry, talk to Emirates Air Cargo. You have to pay the shipping cost. You have to insure the gold. That is called CIF cost, insurance, and freight. But you don't pay the gold, right? You have to pay the gold before you will be charged by the shipping agent. Before you're gonna insure it. The gold will not be given to you unless you pay for it. Gold is cash. I will repeat again. He who has the gold makes the rules. And who makes the rule? The country who own the gold. You don't need to make rules. You obey the rules in order for you to get what you are looking for. We have gold and diamond. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? So I think I already explained it to you. Okay? I just came in to upload this on my Facebook platform and on my YouTube because the price changed. Don't bank on it because the price changed every half an hour. A few days ago, the price was 78. Today is 77. So the gold price is not fixed. Talk to Wilhelmina. Don't worry about the price. Worry about how are you able to pay. Because when you convince Wilhelmina, I will help you to get the very good price when you convince us, when you show that you can afford to pay. Don't come for conference asking CIF. Don't ask for a standby letter of credit, meaning to say you don't have a cash flow. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to the world. This is Mrs. Ford. Mrs. Ford is always on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Don't take it for granted because gold will not come to you unless you pay for it. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here in Brisbane, Australia. I will repeat, do not call me brother because I don't look like brother. This is Mrs. Ford you are talking about. Thank you.